See, what is the position of rhumb line between 2 points relative to the great circles? What they are asking, rhumb line position relative or in relation with great circle. Okay. Now, one, they are asking the northern hemisphere. One, let's assume this thick line as our equator. So
Yes.
let's say two lines are like this. One in northern hemisphere. See, they have asked in northern hemisphere. Other line is in southern.
Southern hemisphere.
Okay. Now, on a Mercator chart, right? Is this a rhumb line or a great circle?
That's rhumb line.
Rhumb line.
Rhumb line. How is the great circle in northern hemisphere?
Concave.
Concave to the equator.
Concave to equator.
Concave to the equator.
Concave. Great circle is always concave to equator.
Con-
That means in northern hemisphere it will be like this. Yeah. In southern hemisphere it will still be concave to equator.
Yes, sir.
So it will be like this. Concave. This side is convex. Convex towards poles. Right? This is your north pole. This side is convex. This is towards your south. Okay. Now here, if you are standing here on a great circle track, this is Vamshi. If let's say Prem Kumar is standing here, so who is towards north? Vamshi or Prem?
Vamshi.
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 So Prem is towards the south. So rhumb line position in northern hemisphere would be south of great circle. Rhumb line position in southern hemisphere would be, answer please.
North
North
of.
North
of.
of.
North of great circle.
As simple as that.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question number 12. The answers are
So it's given equator.
nearer the equator. Rhumb line is nearer the equator or south of great circle. Nearer the equator, yes. Rhumb line is nearer to the equator or north of great circle. समझ में आया सबको?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है यार.